紅白が終わった翌朝、SNS を開いたらタイムラインがほぼ一色だった。玉置浩二のことしか書いていなかった。毎年、紅白が終わると今年の MVP みたいな話になる。でも今年は違った。誰かを比べているわけじゃない。ただ、圧倒されたという言葉だけが静かに並んでいた。玉置浩二という人は、1980年代から日本の音楽シーンに存在し続けてきた。安全地帯のボーカルとして登場し、そこからソロへ。メロディー田園ワインレッドの心、曲名を並べるだけで、その時代の空気が戻ってくる感覚がある。それだけ、彼の声は時代に刻まれている。2026年の紅白舞台に立った時、彼はもう70代に差し掛かっていた。でも、そんなことは関係なかった。ステージが始まった瞬間から空気が変わったという声が多かった。テレビの前で見ていた人も、会場にいた人も、口を揃えるように何かが違うと言っていた。技術的にうまいとか、声量があるとか、そういう話じゃない。もっと手前のところで何かが起きていた。歌っているというより、存在しているという感じ。声が出る前からもうすでに何かが伝わってくる。それが玉置浩二という人の説明しにくい部分だと思う。長年、彼の音楽を聴いてきた人ならわかるはずだ。彼の歌は技術よりも先に何か別の回路に届く。紅白という場所はある意味で特殊だ。豪華な演出、華やかな衣装、視聴者への意識。すべてが見せるための場として設計されている。でも玉置浩二はそこに立ちながらもどこかその外側にいるように見えた。見せようとしていない。ただそこにいる。それが逆に際立って見えた。共演したアーティストたちも素晴らしかった。若い世代の歌声もそれぞれに輝いていた。だからこそ余計に分かった。玉置浩二が放つものは比べる軸が違う。速さでも音域でもビジュアルでもない。もっと根っこのところにある何か。長く生きて、長く歌って、それでもまだ歌い続けている人間が持つ静かな重さのようなもの。視聴者のコメントの中にこんな言葉があった。泣いた理由が自分でもわからなかったと。これはすごく正直な感想だと思う。感動するとき、人はいつも理由を探す。歌詞が刺さったとか、メロディーが好きだったとか。でも玉置浩二の歌は、そういう解析の前にもう届いてしまっている。なぜ涙が出たのかわからないまま泣いている。それが彼の歌のある種の証明だと思う。今年の紅白には様々な話題があった。演出のことも選曲のこともいろんな意見が飛び交っていた。それが紅白というものの豊かさでもある。でも翌朝、最後に残ったのは一人の歌声だった。格の違いという言葉が使われていた。その言葉が正しいかどうか自分には判断できない。ただ、あのステージを見た後に、普段の音楽の聴き方が少し変わった気がしたという人が多かったのは確かだ。本物に触れると何かが変わる。あの夜の玉置浩二はそういうものだったのだと思う。ふと自分に問いかけてしまう。あれだけのものを彼はどこから引き出しているんだろうと。
Otherwise, I will have been sitting with since that night, not the performance itself, not the specific song, just this feeling of I keep returning to something I can not quite put into words, and maybe that's exactly the point. When I was putting this video together, I kept stopping at the same place. The moment shopping at the same place, the moment the audience reaction started coming in after the broadcast, not the excited ones, the quiet ones, people writing things like I do not know where I cried, people who said they had to sit with it for a minute before they could move on with their night. That kept pulling me back because there's a difference, I think, between being moved and being shaken, and what I kept reading in those responses felt more like the second one. Tamaki Koji has been in Japan's musical landscape for over 4 decades. That not a small thing. for decided to of being heard, of standing on stage to having his voice to be think people reach for even something in their life needs a soundtrack and I felt like presence and I will have been trying to figure out what I actually mean by that word because I threw it around sometimes without really earning it. Here's what I think I mean when most performers step onto a stage and I say this full respect because performing is geniusly hard. There's a layer of intent. You are constructing something. You are meaning the moment. You are aware of how it looks, how it lands, whether it's working. The awareness is completely understandable. It's professional, but it creates a very slight distance between the performer and the thing you they are performing. What I kept hearing people describe about that Kohako performance was the absence of the distance. Like he was not crossing into the song, he was already inside it, and I find that fascination because it's not something you can decide to do. You cannot make up you decided to perform without performing. It's something that either happens over time through a specific kind of relationship with your own voice and your own story, or it does not happen and at felt, and for most people it does not. That's not a criticism, it's just rare. There's something I think about sometimes with artists who have been around long enough to have real history at a certain point, the anyone more they have been played at funeral, they have been on in the background when someone got news that changed their life. They have been in the career of people who have since passed back away. The music announcement happens, and the reaction is does not immediate. It does not that's the way loud movement tends. It sits, it separates slowly, people share it coldly with short message, the way you share something that actually got to you. That to me is the tell. The things that actually reach us do not always announce themselves. They arrive and then they stay. You then later, you release, you are still thinking about them and you do not entirely know he. I started this video wanted to talk about I am about a performance. I think what I am actually talking about is that meaning it being the performer. I think talking about is that it means to be geniusly hard to process, to not processed, not impressed, not by entertainment, entertainment, but heard in that all specific way that you forgot was there. Tamaki Kojo did that for a lot of people at night, and I think it's worth paying attention to background when someone got news they changed their life. They have been in the careers age of people who will have singing people were feeling without knowing how to name it.